Good evening, everybody. On this video, we're going to be talking about risk management and money management. Okay, you know, in forex trading or binary trading or whichever trading you're doing online, you must have something they call targets. You must have something called target. Okay, and now you have to compare yourself to the financial institution somehow, at your starting point of this trading career. You have to compare yourself with most investment you're seeing online. Some investment you will see them saying every month you get 50% of what you invest with us. Some you say 30%. Now the truth about it is that let's go to a white paper. Let's go to a white paper. Come on, let me quickly do this. Okay, notes. All right, now we have a note now. On our note now, I want to quickly do a rough calculation. Okay, let's assume that have you told yourself how much is the bank giving people that deposit money in their bank? I mean, people that put money in their fixed deposit. Sometimes some bank, depending, some bank give them 10% annually. That 10% is a yearly pay. That means if you put 1 million naira every year, they're going to be giving you 100,000. Some banks give just 5%. You see, it's different. Some give 3%. But you have to tell yourself how many percent do you want to be making monthly, not or weekly. Weekly or monthly. Like me, for a starter, when I started, I gave myself a target of, I said to myself, if I give any trader 100,000, or anybody that is trading, or any investment company 100,000, and they're giving me 30,000 every month for my 100,000, my 100,000 is still there. That is a good game. To me, everybody have their own choice. Okay, that is, I say, okay, it's good for me. And sometimes I've done investment like that. They give me 30% monthly. I invested 200,000 and I was getting 60,000 every month. It lasts for some time. But you yourself, you are the one trading. You want to give yourself some time. You want to give yourself, you can raise in binary. You can raise $5. Actually, $5. You can raise $5 to $10,000 in the space of maybe 5 months. It's possible, 100% possible, but you have to still give yourself a target. Don't bring that mindset of I want to start with small money and get rich overnight. Don't do that. It's wrong. Okay, if you want to trade, if you want to come into trade, my advice for you is come in with a mindset of target. You must have a target, a daily target, or a weekly target, or a monthly target. If your weekly target is 5%, take it like that. If your monthly target is 30%, that means you have to be doing 1% every day. It's a good one. Start from there. Then if you do 1% every day and get 30% in a month, that means in the space of 3 months, you must have made what? 90% of your capital. In the space of 4 months, just 4 months, you must have made 110% of your capital, or 120%. No, actually 120%. 120% of your capital. That is, you have doubled your capital. The money might be too small for people that are putting maybe $50, starting with $50, or people that are starting with $100. So have you considered those that are starting with maybe $100,000? They are making $100,000 in just 4 months. You start how much is $100,000 now? So now is 40 million naira, and you are making another 40 million in just 4 months. Is that not enough money? That means every month you are making almost 30 million. That is enough money. If you start with 100,000 naira, and you are making every month, you are making let me say 40k, 40,000 naira every month. Or yes, let me assume that you're making 30%. 30%, that is 30,000 naira monthly. You're making 30,000 naira monthly. In the space of 4 months, you must have made 120,000. You have doubled your money. It's not bad at all. If you double your money, the next money you will try to make is that the same time 30% again. Now your 30% in a month will not be 30,000. It will be what? 60,000. So if you are doubling now, you are doubling 200 and something thousand. Before you look, you in the space of 2 years, you must have made a lot of money by compounding your money. But if you come in the mindset that you want to overtrade, or you want to bring in little money and make that money overnight, which is possible, yes, it's possible. At the same time, it's risky, it's wrong. I'll tell you the honest truth. We don't trade like that. You don't trade. You trade with target. Okay, my target every day with my $50 is $2. $2 or $50, that is 4%. 2% of 1% of $50 is 50 cents, just 50 cents. 2% is $1. 4% is $2. So if you're coming with $50 and you're making just $2 in a day, 4%, it's fine now. It's okay. Okay, let me show you what I did. This is a $10 account. Let me show you it's less than $10 though. Let me show you the profit. Look at forget about the withdrawal. I withdraw it before I started trading. Look at the profit for today for this small account, almost a $8 account. I made $2.70. I did not stress it, I did not rush it. It's okay. It's okay for this kind of account. That is more than 30%. That is actually 20% or 30%. It's fine. Yes, everybody can do this. It's something anybody can do. Okay, but you must take note. You must take caution of what you want to be getting daily, weekly and monthly. You must put it into consideration. Don't overtrade. It's a big advice. Don't overtrade. Don't see because the market is going to your favor, you must trade. No. Once you get your target, go out of the market, go and rest, go and do something else. The next day, look for another opportunity. Though if the market is still going on your favor on that the same day, and you see that the opportunity is very, very good to enter, take some profit, yes. But the day that you don't make a lot of profit, that you make below your your target, use the other one to replace it. Don't overtrade. Don't overstress. If you are making $5 every day, let's do a rough calculation. For those that are starting with $50, $50 is how much? 20,000 naira. Abi, $50, that is 50 times 400. That is 20,000 naira. If you're starting with $50 and you're making $5 in a day, so let's calculate 5 times 31 times 31. That is $155. Now that 155 times 400, you are making 62,000 naira monthly. It's not bad. Don't overtrade. If you want to make big money, put in big money and trade safely. Because the bigger your money and the lower your lot size, the bigger the money, the higher your lot size. Okay, don't put $50 and be using lot size that is meant for $500. It's wrong. It's very, very risky. Okay, since I started trading binary, I've not lost money. When I mean lost money, I don't mean when I'm trading I don't lose little. I've not lost my capital. I've been withdrawing. If I can prove it to you, and if you want it, tell me, private chat me. I'll send you screenshot. Of withdrawal. I'll send you anything you just need to get you to know that this thing is real. But I take it step by step. I don't rush it. I don't just force it. That sometimes I make $30 in a day. Sometimes I make 50. Sometimes I can even make up to 70. But I don't rush it. When the opportunity comes, yes, I will make a lot. But when the market no set, I will just stay. I will just, even though it's $2 I get that day, as far the market is not set, I won't force it. When the market will set, I will recover all the maybe 2 days I did not even trade well. That is how trading should be. Thank you very much.